multiple action automatic voltage stabilizer designed here in LG Awka. The essence of this project is to stabilize output voltages for our gadgets at homes and industries, where the voltage ranges from between 80 volts to 250 volts. Anything below 80 volts, that's a very low voltage, that's a very low voltage range. The system will shut down to protect your appliance. Voltages above 250 volts, the voltage will also shut down to protect your appliance. So it works between the range of 80 volts to 250 volts. There's a protection in it. It has a surge protector to protect overcurrent voltages, overcurrent surges that comes from main supply. Also, there's a provision for overload. If it is overloaded, the system shuts down to protect your equipment. Another thing, it has a provision for charging of batteries. They have a USB port as one of the features in it that will charge your battery when you are using it. So we now want to switch the system on at input voltage of, it's not up to 80 volts. At 80 volts, the system comes on. When it comes on, it will power your appliance. So you can see from here, the input voltage is as low as 80 volts. And the system is on. So as the voltage is fluctuating, maybe mains voltage is fluctuating between 80 and the system is fluctuating, your load is on. So the input voltage, which is this, shows fluctuation input voltages, and this shows the output voltage, and this is the load. So the system is fluctuating between 80 to 250 volts. The output is maintaining 220 volts. Your load is maintaining the 220 volts for loads, so that it will not spoil your load. At input voltages of, this is 180, 195, 200, 205. My output is still at the normal range, 217, 222. My output is still at the normal range of voltage for my loads and my appliances. At 250, the system is off. My load is off to protect the appliance. Then if the voltage comes down, if the main supply comes down to normal voltage of 230, 220, anything below 250, after a slight delay, the system comes on again to protect your appliances. So it's a voltage stabilizer different from what we have in the market. We took time to ensure that it meets standards and it does not behave the way the ones in the market behave. Compared to what we have here and what we have in the market, most of the stabilizers in the market don't switch on at 80 volts. Most of them come on at 175 volts or 180 volts. Even at that 180 volts, the output voltage is not up to 220. So get to 190 volts, you get start getting 220 volts as your output. We consider so many factors to make sure that our product meets what we have in the market, standard, we can meet international standard.